So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sniper. It's my custom sniper anyway. And it can stand up and turn into a machine gun. But let's start anyway. So here's the sniper now. I'll show you the bits you have to need. So once I get this piece of rope in here. Okay, you need a microphone. Need like any color of these, but I'm using black to go along with the microphone. You have to have a grey. Whoa, oops, 1 second now. Yeah, you have to have a grey little thing. It has to be grey, and I recommend using black. One of these, but I'm just going to use a red for now. And one of these. They look like things. They're like a clone or a droid arm, and then like a little hammer yoke at the top. Like, I don't know. Let me start. So I will get back after the first step. Okay, the first step would have been to put this on. A second now. We put the black, let's say the lightsaber colour-y thing. Then you're gonna get this thing and pop it on here. Second now. Push all the way back. Okay, now let's put that there. Now next you're going to get the ramp and this clip. Check it out. This clip and put the ramp on it. Get back in. This. So if you look right there. Focus. If it's not focusing, then it's like a little aiming part. And just get this and clip it on. And that's how you make my custom gun. Right? I have it on the other side, but still, that's how you make your other custom gun. And that's most preferably it. Microphones I'll use sometimes. That's it. Bye.